I am never beating the ProPress Princess allegations after this one. This customer called us because they wanted us to reroute a water line, and it was a galvanized line. And typically, what I like to do is go from the elbow dropping down and just replace it with PEX. Unfortunately, in this situation, the roof was very pitched, and the only way to get to it was by cutting sheetrock, which was not a choice, I guess, for this customer. So we went with our next option, which was to cut that pipe, put a mega press fitting that's made for potable water, and then transition to pecs from there. And then on the other side, I was able to get to an elbow that was there. So I just used a male adapter to transition to pecs. So everything did go well. And I was a little bit skeptical at first. As much as I use ProPress and love ProPress, I have never used MegaPress in potable water. We turned on the water and made sure there was no leaks. Everything was holding off very well. And we're going to be repiping this house very soon. So stay tuned for that one. Please be sure to like, comment, and follow, especially if you guys want more plumbing content. And as always, I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.